Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, April 12th, and we are just getting started here in the morning. So the market is kind of starting to evolve a little bit here. So the market, our reporting is kind of early in the morning. Market hasn't evolved quite yet, so it could change a bit from where we're doing when we are actually videotaping or recording this blog post here. Well, one of the things we did get this morning is the NFIB Small Business Index. This is the confidence level of small businesses, which is important primarily because they make up the primary employment data out there for the U.S. jobs. And as you can see, it dropped a little bit from 92.9 down to 92.6. And this is at a 3-year worst, so this isn't too good reporting here since this is the worst we've been in about 3 years on there. So we will need to keep eye on that as we want to see jobs continue growing. Currently, the stock market is down. We did get some news, as we mentioned yesterday, that after the market closed, we'll start getting some earnings reports. Alco came in with disappointing, but it is rebounding a little bit with oil prices rebounding as well. Oil right now is up about just over $40 right now. We do got some potential volatility with a bunch of Fed members speaking. We did have one who's non-voting Fed member, Harker, had mentioned that he isn't for the Fed waiting on raising the next interest rate until inflation rises. But we've had another one, Kaplan, coming out of Dallas. He's also a non-voting member, but we're getting kind of a mixed bag of news, where he basically said that he thinks rates could be rising soon. So kind of mixed bag what's being sent as the news that's coming out of the Fed right now, so we're not really getting any uniformity as to the exact message that's coming out there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market. Now, he said a big drop in the red from yesterday. That's not an actual drop. What that is basically we are having our monthly rollover, which basically means that the bonds, they package them up, resell them on to Wall Street, and then we start all over. So there's no difference in pricing. We also rolled over to, since there's a big drop in the interest rates, we're rolling over to the 3% Fannie Mae coupon versus the 3.5% that we've been at of late. So that translates to about 25 basis points. So we would be closer, typically actually close to that red resistance line. But right now we're about 6 basis points from where we left off yesterday. So we're down a little bit so far this morning. That floor where we're at this, where that green line is, we're kind of touching at would be probably more likely what we would be touching with the ceiling of the red line up there, the R1 line up there. All right, so prices are basically about the same where we left off yesterday. There really is, as you can see, we've been kind of trading in this one range here for a while now, and don't really forecast any changes that's going to really offset that right now, unless unless there's something that comes up on that later in the day that could alter that, and maybe the stock market gets hot. But as of this morning, stock market's all negative. The bond market's down a little bit. So we'll kind of see where things kind of move later in the day here. But just want to give you a heads up. I hope you guys have a great day. Again, I like to usually get these out a little bit later in the day after the market's kind of evolved. But due to circumstances, I have to kind of get this out early for you guys. All right, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We will have a lot more data coming in tomorrow, so be prepared for a little bit more volatility. And, of course, we got the earnings season, so more companies will be releasing their earnings, which could also alter the markets. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.